gang, I want to give you a little bit of review today on the Cressi Supernova dry snorkel. I am a scuba diver and was looking for a great snorkel to include in my kit, and I chose this one. And I want to tell you what I liked about it, but one thing at the end that I think you do have to be aware of, there's a lot to like about this snorkel. It's got a dry snorkel at the top, so it's got a quick shut valve so that water doesn't get in while you are diving, as long as you keep this part in your mouth. You'll notice that this snorkel is not your traditional circular shaped. It is an oval shape, meaning it sits closer to your head as you are snorkeling, as you are scuba diving. It has a very large emptying valve here at the bottom. So if your snorkel does get water in it, you can purge it very quickly through this purge valve. I really do like this larger purge valve. Now, the one thing that I don't love about this snorkel is actually its mask clip. This quick connect system is meant to allow you to quickly and easily take your snorkel off and on. There is a little bit of a trick to it, but the thing I really don't like about it is how difficult this clip actually is to get onto your mask. I have used snorkels for years and I have never struggled so much getting a clip onto a mask. But once I found a good way to do it, I did end up liking it. But as long as that connection piece doesn't bother you too much, I do think this is the way to go if you are looking for a great dry snorkel. 5 out of 5 stars.